bare feet on stone. I walk my cause in circles. Heavy crown, light breath, quiet as a question. Never land brick on brick, seasons on my skin. I don't chase a closing door, it opens from within. Cold stays so even when the storm leans in. Letters written on my spine, let the river wash the tin. I hold my energy, I don't spend it in a rush, but I can't sit in the dark. Still it rising through the hush. I trust what's already built, even when the road is blank. I move like a mountain loose, no panic in the fake. I don't answer every doubt, let them pop and fade. I've been taught to never be quiet when my feet just being laid. Eyes of peace is discipline, I've already paid, so I stay in my position while the picture rearrange. Yeah, for my energy, I don't stand it in a rush. But I can't sit in the dark, still it lies into the hush. I just was already bad, even when the road is blank. I move like a mountain moves,